Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. This video is a little bit different. Gonna talk about those who want to live a laptop lifestyle. You want to travel abroad and become. I guess the new phrase is digital nomad, and I guess that's what you can call me. I love to travel. I love to go to different countries. I always take in a laptop with me. So if that's what you would like to do, if that's something that you would like to explore, to be able to just grab tablet or notepad or notebook or whatever you want to call it, a laptop, and be able to travel the country, travel the world, you can definitely do that. And as long as you are able to join up with a company that can pay you out, either daily, monthly, or that type of thing. But right now we're talking about $1,000 per day. It's absolutely doable, and I'm going to show you how to do that. For you guys that want to travel the world, we all know tickets can be expensive. Staying in really nice hotels also can get kind of costly. Traveling all through Europe or whatever the case may be, you can afford it with $1,000 a day, easy. So I'm going to show you the system I like to use. It has a really good engine under the hood. It'll get you there, definitely. Now, as I like to say, you have to go big or go home. You have to drop a little bit of money in there, and you have to have a little bit of time. There's two things you're going to need, two components you're going to need, and of course you're going to need your laptop. So if that's something you want to do, yeah, we're going to make it happen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's Mike Internet Pro.